how to create product bundles in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create product bundles in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the apps here. You can click on it, and then you can just search bundles, and then you can search on Shopify App Store, and then we will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. And as you can see, these are the results, and you have a lot of option here, like casting bundles and then bundlers, and there is a lot of other option here, but we're gonna choose Shopify bundles here. You can click on it. This is the free one, as you can see, they have a lot of reviews here, but it's not really good, but we can try. You can see this is the preview or the features. You can see you can create fixed bundles and multi-packs, and then you can create the customer experience, and you can increase average order value. It's really good for us, and there is real-time and accurate inventory. So if you think it is good enough, you can just install it by click this one, click install, and then it's installed to my Shopify store, and you can just click create bundle here, and then you can select the products. So select products, and let's say I want to add maybe Amazon gift cards, and random, just for example, like this, maybe like this, and then click select. And now we can add the title bundles, maybe the short bundles, just like that. And as you can see, my bundle has been created. Now you can add the description and also the media, the images of the bundled products. And then you can also choose the publishing. I'm gonna choose online store and the sellers if you want, and the type of the organization if you have it, and the text, also the vendor. After that, you can just set it to the active or unlisted. Maybe you want to make the change later, you can just click unlisted and then save it later. Or if you want to make it active now, you can just click active and then save, and then click save like this. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.